Hey all, welcome to John's Bottle Making. Today it's Titanic. Yes, it's that time of the month again. There we go, I've got all 4 issues today. 97 and 98 is what we're going to be working on in this video. Here we have the ship, looking absolutely brilliant. There we go, we're working on this side, the port side of the ship. So we've got 2 panels up and down, and 99 and 100 for the starboard side. We can also pop in the engines to see how that looks, and anything else. I know you're all dying to know what is in issue 101, but we'll come to that later. Anyway, let's have a look at the instructions. Okie doke, issue 97. Coming in issue 98, port side hull section and screws. That's the upper half, of course. And in the story is the majestic Lusitania, and the story is about the blue ribbon east and west and how it won and lost against Mauritania. Some cracking pictures. It's a cracking story actually. You've got to read this magazine. I do love the magazines from Hachette. And there's a lovely picture as well of a dining area. Next, hull section, port side. There we go. So we get the lower part, pop that into place. There we go. Excellent. And in issue 98 we have starboard hull section and screws coming in issue 99. And then we have a story about the Baltic liner to the rescue. That's a good map. Olympic, Parisian, Virginian, Carpathia and the Titanic. April 16th, 1912. There are people waiting to get on the Baltic. And conditions aboard Baltic, and these are coal stokers on board the Titanic. Won't mind something like that in the model. Bit of mess, a bit of coal in there. There we have next section, the upper hull port side. So pop that in. Hexagonal screws. So you're probably better off with a screwdriver like this. It was a free kit that we were given. There we go, free tool kit with this build, if I remember rightly. And there we go, that is what we're left with. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have the parts. There are the screws. The packaging is always good for these metal panels. There we go. Yeah, it's good lining. There we go, we can see where the propeller shafts are going to come through. Excellent, let's get this in place. Okay, there we go, there's the ship in place, and here's the panel. These are hexagonal screws, so we may need the Allen key that we were given earlier in the build because it's narrower here. I'm going to try it with the screw bit first, get it into place. It's just 2 screws, pop that there like that, and then it's just a matter of putting 2 Allen screws into place. That one is in. Need a bit of oil on this. Get the second screw into place. There we go. It's got a little bit of oil on it, and now we can use the Allen key to actually screw that all the way in. Excellent. Let's have a quick look at that piece. There we go. Looking superb. There you go, you can see the 2 screws there. Excellent. Right, let's get the other piece from issue 98. Here we have the parts. Again, this should be straightforward enough. Got a lot more screws in this one. There we go. That is looking lovely. Excellent stuff. That should just go on there. Just position myself. Okay, that is the panel. That fits just here. I did have a foreign object with that panel in that hole there. It has come out nice and neat, but God knows what that was. Looks like a stone. Well, that goes just, should go, yeah, put that there, just like that. Excellent. There we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Okay, we'll get a middle one in first. There we go, it's not fully tightened up yet. And then we'll get the rest in. Okay, let's get the second one in. Now we just need these two. Excellent, there we go. That's all 5 screws in place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All LM screws. Okay, let's have another look. Swing this around. This is getting massive now. Nearly there, nearly there. There we go. That's those 2 panels nicely in place. Excellent. I don't know what that foreign object is. Looks like a, I thought it might have been some cast or something. It looks like a little stone. Unreal. I hadn't noticed it before. But then again, you don't expect to see a stone in a panel, do you? But anyway, we found it and that is looking brilliant. Onwards and upwards for the next 2 at 99 and 100. Excellent. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for issues 99 and 100, where we'll pop the engine in and we'll get them through these holes here. So I think we've only got a couple of more pieces of keel left, but it'd be interesting to see what comes in issue 101. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe, see you soon, bye for now.